Ever imagined a world where a tiny pin could replace your smartphone? Well, hold on to your curiosity, because the Humane AI Pin, born from the minds of former Apple leaders Imran Chowdhury and Bethany Bongiorno, might just challenge everything you thought about wearable tech. Can this unassuming pin truly be the next evolution in our relationship with technology? Join me as we explore the possibilities. Are we witnessing the dawn of a smartphone-free era? Let's find out together. The Humane AI Pin works by utilizing a combination of sensors, projectors, and AI technology to provide users with a unique and intuitive interaction experience. This screenless wearable device attaches magnetically to clothing and is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, featuring sensors like a camera, microphone, and accelerometer. The AI Pin uses these sensors and AI technology based on large language models to understand the user's context and provide relevant information and functionality. For instance, it can identify objects and landmarks using its camera to offer contextual information like restaurant names or bus stop distances. Additionally, the AI Pin can control various devices, make calls, send texts, manage smart home devices, play music, access AI-powered applications such as translation services and virtual assistants. It prioritizes privacy with a built-in privacy indicator light that shows when the camera or microphone is active, allowing users to disable sensors at any time. The device is designed to enhance daily life with AI while maintaining human connection and privacy. The question is, does it truly replace smartphone? Answer for now is no. The absence of a traditional screen on the AI Pin significantly limits its functionality, making tasks like playing games, watching videos, and using apps challenging. The AI Pin may struggle in low light or noisy conditions, have difficulty recognizing objects or landmarks accurately, and may not provide relevant information consistently, impacting its overall usefulness as a smartphone replacement. Unlike smartphones that offer a wide range of third-party apps for various functionalities, the AI Pin does not support third-party apps, limiting its versatility and user experience. While the AI Pin prioritizes privacy with features like a trust light indicator and manual sensor activation, its design may draw unwanted attention or curiosity from others, potentially affecting user comfort and privacy. The AI Pin requires a monthly fee in addition to its initial price tag of $700, making it a costly investment compared to smartphones that offer more extensive features and functionalities. The Humane AI Pin presents a promising shift towards prioritizing privacy and simplicity in tech. While it currently falls short on smartphone versatility, envisioning a device that seamlessly combines innovation and practicality raises intriguing possibilities. Could this be the next-gen device to redefine our tech experience? The future holds exciting potential. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the Humane AI Pin. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.